Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The Government of India, for the purpose of drafting of a single, comprehensive and internally consistent bankruptcy law, constituted a bankruptcy law reforms committee to deal with the task to create a uniform framework that would cover matters of insolvency and bankruptcy of all legal entities and individuals. The Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee submitted its report dated 4/11/2015 to Finance Minister, Government of India. In paragraph 5.2.1, the Bankruptcy Reforms Committee dealt with subject who can trigger the IRP ? The following observations have been made by Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee, 2015 under paragraph 5.2.1 : Before we refer to the judgments relied by the learned counsel for the parties in respect of their respective submission, we may notice the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Mobilox Innovations Limited versus Kirusa Software Limited (2018) 1 SCC 353, where the Honorable Supreme Court had occasion to consider Section 9 of the Code, which deals with Company Appeal (80) Insolvency number 423 of 2021 16 Operational Debt. The Honorable Supreme Court in the above judgment has noticed the Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee report given in November 2015. In paragraph 17, the Honorable Supreme Court observed that it was as a result of the deliberations of this committee, that the present Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016 was finally born. In paragraph 17, following observation has been made: It is noteworthy that in paragraph 5.2.1 on the subject who can trigger IRP ? The recommendations of the report have been noticed. The learned counsel for the respondent submitted that there was no dispute regarding operational debt, hence, the observation of the Honorable Supreme Court in the above contest cannot be read to mean that Honorable Supreme Court has approved the observations of the Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee report as stated in paragraph 5.2.1. The Honorable Supreme Court in the above case was considering a case where application under Section 9 was filed claiming an operational debt, which was owed to the respondent corporate debtor. It is true that there is no observation in the judgment specifically approving the views of the recommendations of the Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee report as contained in paragraph 5.2.1, but the reference of the said paragraph while quoting the relevant part of the report, clearly means that the said recommendations of the report were for the purpose of understanding the nature and content of the operational debt. Further, there is no indication Company Appeal Insolvency number 423 of 2021 in the observation made by Honorable Supreme Court in Mobilox that the report of Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee in paragraph 5.2.1 is incorrect or not to be followed. We, thus, conclude that the reference to paragraph 5.2.1 of the Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee report by the Honorable Supreme Court in Mobilox cannot be said to be irrelevant or meaningless. Thus, what Bankruptcy Law Reforms Committee report in 2015 mentioned while explaining the operational debt is relevant and can be fully relied for interpreting the expression operational debt as reflected in section 5, subsection 21. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।